Hi, I'm Will.
And I'm Robyn,
and we're building on our land.
Our land needed some improvements before building. Our builder began by conducting a soil test, which revealed that the soil didn't perk. Next, we had to find an engineer to design a special septic system, install a well, create a crawl space, and clear the land. Since we have a pond at the back of our land, we had to take erosion control measures as well.
Steve, the Build on Your Land president, was very helpful throughout the entire process. He connected us with DHEC to find a septic tank installer and engineer, and helped us to determine the best placement for our home, considering the land's natural slope.
We chose Build on Your Land by Keystone Homes because it offered us the chance to personalize our home without the high costs and lengthy timelines that are typically associated with custom builders. Plus, we loved their Carlisle home plan.
Before the construction of our home could start, we needed to sell our existing house, secure a rental, navigate the construction loan process, finalize our home plan personalizations, and sign the sales agreement.
Building on our land has provided us with new freedom and opportunities. Customizing our home plan allowed us to create a space that truly reflects our family, rather than having to renovate an older home to suit our needs. Stay tuned for the next video
in our Build on Your Land journey.